Welcome to this comprehensive guide on employee compliance requirements for IFSC-regulated units in GIFT SEZ. Whether your unit currently has just 4 employees or you plan to expand in the future, this video will walk you through every compliance requirement, what changes with team size, where to register, and how to stay fully compliant. In GIFT IFSC, employee compliance is governed by 3 major layers. First, India's central labor laws, such as Provident Fund, ESI, Bonus, Gratuity, and Maternity Benefit Act. Second, Gujarat state laws, including shops and establishment and professional tax. And finally, IFSC authority regulations, which apply specifically to regulated entities operating inside GIFT SEZ. If your company currently employs 4 people, here are the essential compliances you must follow. 1. Shops and establishments registration. Register your IFSC unit under the Gujarat Shops and Establishment Act through the Digital Gujarat portal. 2. Professional tax registration and filing. Deduct PT from employee salaries and file returns through the Gujarat PT portal. 3. Employee contracts and HR documentation. Ensure every employee receives an appointment letter along with clear HR policies on leave, conduct, and attendance. 4. POSH policy requirements. Even with fewer than 10 employees, every IFSC employer must have a sexual harassment policy and designate a POSH contact person. 5. Salary and payroll compliance. Maintain monthly payroll records, attendance registers, and issue payslips. 6. Income tax compliance. If employee salaries cross the taxable limit, deduct TDS and file quarterly returns in Form 24Q on the Income Tax Portal. 7. IFSC specific requirements maintain manpower details for IFSCA filings and ensure senior staff KYC is documented. As your IFSC unit grows, more compliances begin to apply. Here's a simple milestone guide. At 5 employees, additional registers under shops and establishment become mandatory. At 10 employees, you must form a POSH Internal Complaints Committee. Employee state insurance or ESIC becomes compulsory if salaries are below 21,000 rupees. The Gratuity Act becomes applicable when a stable workforce crosses 10 employees. At 20 employees, Provident Fund or EPF registration becomes mandatory, requiring employers to contribute 12% of wages. The Bonus Act applies to employees earning below 21,000 rupees. Each milestone triggers new obligations, so it's important to plan ahead as your team grows. Let's summarize where each compliance must be registered. Shops and establishments. Digital Gujarat Portal, Professional Tax. Gujarat Professional Tax Portal, EPF, EPFO Portal, ESIC, ESIC Portal, TDS, Income Tax Portal, POSH ICC Documentation, Internal Company Formation, IFSC Compliance Returns, IFSC Portal, SEZ Annual Returns, SEZ Online Portal. These registrations ensure your IFSC unit meets both state and central requirements. Compliance does not end with registration. Let's look at what you must file periodically. Monthly compliances, professional tax deduction and payment, payroll preparation and payslip issuance, EPF and ESIC returns, when applicable, quarterly compliances, TDS returns on salaries in Form 24Q annual compliances, annual professional tax return, POSH annual report when 10 or more employees, IFSCA annual compliance, return to IFSC. SEZ Annual Performance Report submitted on SEZ Online. Following this calendar helps avoid penalties and ensures smooth audit and regulatory inspections. Here's a quick recap. With 4 employees, your mandatory compliances include shops and establishment registration, professional tax, HR policies, payslips, TDS, and IFSC filings. At 10 employees, POSH ICC, ESIC, and Gratuity become applicable. At 20 employees, EPF and Bonus Act become mandatory. Always track monthly, quarterly, and annual compliance filings on the respective portals. Remember, being compliant ensures smooth operations, better governance, and full regulatory confidence for your IFSC unit. Thank you for watching this employee compliance guide for IFSC-regulated units in GIFT SEZ. If you need a customized compliance checklist, SOP, or presentation, feel free to ask. Stay compliant, stay confident, and keep your IFSC operations running smoothly. Munsez and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence. A pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup operational support and handling compliances risk management, renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company foreign university, BATF, and ancillary regulations, and fintech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA, comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance.